What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. I'm here for another live session, my friends, and we have a crazy sell-off happening in the stock market right now. So what I'm going to do is I started a little bit early. Let me go ahead and retweet this. Let's get this party rolling. Let's look for some opportunities, and let's keep the ball flowing. So where are we at? Let's just do that right here. Live now. Come. Boom. Who do we have in the building? Anybody in the building right now? Any Trading Wars Army members here? Who do we have? All right, so what I'm going to do here, guys, is let's go ahead. Let me extend this out. 410.55. 410.55 and coordinates right here. Okay, we'll expand this golden zone. So you could see here, guys, I was watching this very closely in the golden zone. I was looking for these potential dip buying opportunities, but check this out, guys. I'm on the 2-minute chart here. Every single candle that came into the golden zone did not break the high. So there was no entry here from a candlestick perspective. The high was not touched at all. It was not broken. So this right here, guys, we have a waterfall pattern. This is what we call a waterfall. So the waterfall means that on the way down, you are not breaking any highs. So the momentum is not changing. Right now, we have this 2-minute inside bar right around here. So we could be looking for a setup right here, guys, with a stop near the low down here. So let's see how this closes. About 30 seconds to close. And we can go ahead and play that here. Golden zone is from the 50 to the 786 Fibonacci. This area is what I like to call the golden zone. You can see right here, golden zone right there. And just haven't had any change of momentum in this zone yet. But we have an inside bar coming up here. So we could give this a shot, small size here. Let's see this inside bar. Let's see what we can do here. And then I'm also going to do a recap here. So let's go ahead here with this inside bar. Let's zoom in. So to play, the way we're looking to play this, break above the high, we'll go long right there. And let's see what we get here, guys. And then I'm not too interested in the short per se, because we have an extended move to the downside. So the risk to reward is not really there. I have another long order that I'm waiting for down here. I have an alert set up right here. So 396.11 is my line in the sand here. So I'm going to leave this open as well. If we come back down here, I'll be looking to go long 396.11 right over there. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's just watch this inside bar right here. Let's see if we can get a breakthrough. You guys doing well today? All right, so let's see. And if we break this high here, we'll try long and we'll keep a very tight stop loss below this inside bar right here so that we have a very tight risk to reward. Okay. So Todd, Trading Wars Army, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. AV, what's going on? Briggs, Trading Wars Army. Hit me with a 1 if you're in the building right now. We're doing this live right now. Hit me with a 1 if you are in the building, my friends. So just to zoom out, so you could see we had this huge gap fill rally in the morning, which we caught in the room. I'll talk about that in a second. But what I really want to do right now is I want to focus on the price action. We are testing the today's low. Here's today's low. We're not too far from that. So we're testing today's low. So that's going to be very key. So I have a long order at 396.11 waiting for that. And I'm also looking to potentially go long over here if we could break this line up here. But it does not look like it's going to break it right now. So we'll still be patient here and let's see. I have a few targets posted in the Discord. I'll let you know in a second. Let's see what we get over here. Okay, can we get it? Can we get it here? So just going to be patient here and we'll do some chart requests as well. So let's be patient. Just going to leave this here. So let's talk about the morning, what we're able to accomplish. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to SPY and I'll let you know what we're able to do this morning. So the first thing we had this morning, guys, was a gap up, right? We had this big gap up. And what I like to do with this gap up is usually this gap fill. So right over here, this whole area, this area right here, that's the gap. Okay, so that's where we opened right there. So that's the gap. And what I like to do is I like to take the Fibonacci from the high of the closing bar and I bring it up to the high of the open. And what I like to use is I like to use these Fibonacci. So this is the golden zone for the gap 50 to the 786. I like to use that area as dip buying. And what I'm trying to do here is I have a maximum stop loss below the gap fill. So that's the maximum risk is below the gap fill. This is a gap fill style of trading that I like to use with my Fibonacci. Okay, so we had a maximum stop loss down here. And what we're doing is just adding in as we touch these fibs. So you add, max stop loss here. And you can see that ripped in the morning. So particularly this morning, what I did was I did a quick scalp. So I'm just going to walk you guys through that quickly. So I did a quick scalp here. So I'm going to go here to my live commentary. Just walk you through. So game plan today, keep the size small. We're going in for a long weekend, so things can get wild. So I said right here, long at 398.61. So 398.61, guys, was right here on this 50%. So I went long right here on the 50%, and I sold right here on the 382. So this little move right here, guys, if I go over to futures, I'll show you. I go over to futures, that little move, where are you? Right here. So that little move, guys, was this candle here. So it was about, in total, it was about an 8-point pop, but I was able to get 5 points on this little push up. That little push up, one contract, $250 with one contract right there. And you could see max stop loss gap fill. I think we need some more rockets. So target one hit, boom, max stop loss now, 398.24 for protection. And out, guys, I got 5 points, not bad. One contract, 250. So I was just scalping these levels, and that's why I like to have the fibs on the gap, because the fibs on the gap give me the direction. You could have scalped it many times. You could have took it from the 618, and you could have even taken it back from the 786 down here. So all of these were scalpable opportunities. I took one play off of that, and I was good to go because I was also swing trading overnight. All right. So hit me with a 10, guys, if that makes sense. Just hit me with a 10 real quick, if that makes sense. Our line in the sand right now, long 396.11. That's where I'm looking to get long, guys. So I'm just going to wait here to see if we can tag that level. All right. And we'll also do some chart requests as well. So the second thing, guys, is if I go over here to the MNQ. So yesterday we went long on the MNQ. I did a small account challenge yesterday. So we got long right over here at 1203. 425, 1203, 425. So the total move on this, guys, was about 430 points. Obviously, we're selling some off right now, but I was able to successfully double the small account challenge using this from yesterday. So 400 points on one contract is about, it's like $8,000 or so. So really, really nice, really nice gain there. And I also called that one out live in the Discord here under Swing Trade channel. You could see yesterday, team, I'm looking to add a long-term play here. That was yesterday at 12:53. And we used the weekly chart Fibonacci for that. I also posted that one on Twitter right over here. I posted that yesterday at 1:30. Added long NQ for a swing right there. Boom, boom. So if you were doing the small account challenge with me on that one, guys, that account has already doubled. And it was another success. All right. So hit me with a 5. Did you follow me there? Small account challenge in the bag. Day trade this morning in the bag. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to look for new trading opportunities right now. Okay. Let me know. Are you guys all good? All make sense? So that's a second small account challenge that I did this year and doubled in both situations. These were my 2 small account entries. The first one was 11,292 and the second one was yesterday 12,03, 425. In both situations, guys, we made over 400 or 500 points, double the accounts there. So I only like to do those when I have big picture setups, like on the daily or the weekly. I have a lot of good confluence. I don't like to do that from a day trading perspective. All right, so we have another potential inside bar setting up here. So what I'm really looking for here is this line here. This is my level long that I'm looking for. And this is a part of my trigger trades that I post every night. So 396.11, that's what I'm looking for, the line in the sand here. I am expecting a little bit of a bounce at some point because you could see we've been selling off pretty hard. And the rookies are going to be trapped right here. So this is the trap for the rookies. You could see they're shorting the low of the day break. And this is usually like a trap scenario where we could kind of reverse. So I would love to see it come back down to 396.11. And I'm waiting there with my order. So we'll just be patient. And let's go ahead and take some chart requests. So guys, look, before I continue here, if you want me to do more live streams and give live setups, please consider joining the Trading Wars Army right here. I'm going to go ahead and post it. You can join right here and I'll go live more often. Right now, it's only $3.99 a month, 20% off from YouTube. And another thing that I've been doing with the Army is I've been posting free swing trade ideas for the Army. So you could see here, This last week, we took a short on SPY. This one hit all targets. That was for members only. So consider signing up if you want to show some support, as well as get me to do some more live streams. All right. So just hanging out here right now. We are in the gap fill zone right over here. I have an order 39611. Let's do some chart requests. Go ahead here. Send me what you have. What do you want me to look at? So I see Tesla. Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. And let's see what we have. So Tesla, a lot weaker than SPY. So Tesla was, this is picture perfect on Tesla today. We had that Fibonacci play. So we had this push down, pull back up into the golden zone, right? So the golden zone is from the 50 to the 786. So right here, this is a potential reversal area for Tesla, because this is the completion of the measured move right here on the 272. So we could try right here long on Tesla. We could try right here, guys. So let's look at the price action a little bit here. This is the completion of the bear. You could see high, low, pull back, and trade to extension here. So let's go ahead. Let's see if we can find an opportunity here on Tesla. We're in that reversal zone. So I'm going to go ahead here and wait. Hit me with a 6. Are you guys following me? Audio is good. Everything is good. I appreciate you guys being here. So let's look right here for this reversal potential on Tesla. Keep the size small. I mean, we've already made good money on the day, so we don't need to do anything stupid. Okay, so we keep the size small. So I'm here on the 2-minute chart. So I like Tesla right here, right above this price. So right above 272.75, right there for an entry long. We could keep this extremely tight. We can risk 1 bar like so. And, you know, if it works, great. If it doesn't, it'll be just a paper cut. So let's go for that. So send me some rockets right now, guys, with a 10. So just send me some rockets in the chat if you have any rockets loaded. So the reason I'm doing this trade here, guys, is because we've had the measured move completion for the bear. So textbook Fibonacci trade on Tesla. We push down, we pull back into the golden zone right here, guys. This is our golden zone. And now we traded to the extension. This is the completion of the bear leg. So any bears that were shorting here, here, and here, this is why Fibonacci is so good, because it tells us where we can reverse. So I am looking right here now for potential reversal on Tesla. Let's see what we can get. Just going to be patient here. I want to read the price action. You can see that we did tag the 272 and we are holding it currently, but I'm still waiting for a candlestick confirmation here. I want to see some momentum. So if you look over here on Tesla, all of these highs were not broken. Okay, so this is what we call a waterfall. Every high was lower. We haven't had a change in momentum yet. So I'm just waiting for that change in momentum. Okay, so I'm just waiting for that change in momentum before I get long. So using a candlestick confirmation here. All right, so we'll be watching that. Go back to SPY. So our long is right down here. So we can wait for that. Put Tesla over here. It's going to be patient here. So I'm going to be patient. Okay, so we're continuing to go lower. So notice I'm waiting here. So I'm waiting to see that change in momentum before I really want to take a trade. And we can go all the way down to this line here, which is the 50, which will be the next level that we'll be looking for. Here's the 50% extension, 270.33. So that's fine as well. All right, so what I'm going to do now is looking for the long above this candle now. So just using the waterfall technique. Okay, so just waiting here. If it wants to come above here for the long, and we'll keep doing this all the way down. If it wants to go all the way down, we'll go all the way down. No problem. We'll keep it going because right now we're in that zone of reversal. So the zone for the reversal is 272 to 618. This whole area is, so this is the pullback and this is the extension. It would be nice actually if we got to the 618, because then we would have 618 retracement to 618 extension. All right. All right, so there we go, filled on SPY right here. So let me go ahead and have the plan. So long stop 39421, horizontal line 394. Oops, horizontal line 394. So this is one of my automated trades. So I've set this up in the broker the night before, and I'll show you how I like to trade this. So starting off with a wide stop loss like that, and we have a target here of 39792. So these are, you know, if you just want to automate it and leave it, you can do that. But what I'm probably going to do here is just probably scalp it because I don't want to hold that long. I already made some gains and I just want to get in and out. 397.92, is that right? Okay, there we go. All right, so we'll leave this, let it do its thing. Still watching Tesla here in the golden zone. Okay, so now we're gonna look. So we have this bar right here. Okay, we're playing off of this bar now. Just gonna be patient and wait, and we'll continue to keep going down the ladder. So here we go, SPY right there, doing its thing. Okay, we'll give it some time. No need to rush. All right. So hopefully we can get a little inside bar here. That'll give us a very tight risk reward here. That will be nice. But what I would love to see, guys, are these holy grails. So you see, this is a holy grail. Anything with an outside and inside bar, it's a holy grail. It has a good win rate. This holy grail, it's a part of my free indicators. Go ahead and add it to your chart. But I love looking for those holy grails. Those holy grails are usually really, really nice setups. All right. So really, really nice one here. So if we could get like a holy grail down here, it would be even better. All right. So watching here, watching closely. Okay. So we could look to go long above this high right there. So we could try it once it breaks. Okay. So just be patient here. I want to see a good break here. Then we can try that. Keep the stop loss down here for protection. There we go. Okay, try long here. Keep the stop loss down here. So for targets, come back up here somewhere in the middle, right there, between these two Fibonacci's. We'll be looking for that. All right, come on. Check on SPY. SPY is rallying from our order right now. So in theory, guys, if you wanted to just play extremely tight, you could go ahead and just move your stop loss below here right now, okay? And then you could bring your target to something a little bit more tighter like this if you want to go very, very tight. Okay, because that way you don't have any risk on the trade, very minimal. Here we go. Come on, let's get a pop. Send some rockets for me right now. Send the rockets. Send it. Send the rockets, guys. Come on. Give me that power. Boom, there we go. Target hit. That's how it's done, guys. That's how it's done. Okay, and you can go to break even right now. SPY, done. Done. That's it, guys. That's it. I'm out. Thank you for your time, guys. I appreciate you very much. That's how we do it. It's taken me 7 years to learn how to trade. And Trading Wars Army, we come on stream, we do it live because nobody can do it like us, guys. Nobody. Check me out, tradingwars.com. Fibonacci and Options Mastery book, guys. $88.60 for Labor Day sale. This weekend is a Labor Day sale. So grab the book. If you want to get it, you get 1 month for free. Come trade with us live tomorrow. I'm also, not tomorrow, sorry, Tuesday. The market is closed tomorrow. Anyways, guys, I have the Trading Wars bundle package. I just dropped the price to $5.99. It was $7.99. It's $5.99 right now. It's only going to be like this for the Labor Day weekend. 4 months. You get 4 months in the room. You get all 3 of my books. You get 2 seminars right here. You get all access, 100 trade challenge, all my indicators and my scanners, guys, right now for this weekend. I really hope you guys appreciated that. It takes me a lot to come out on stream and share my strategies. A lot of people will copy me. A lot of people imitate me. A lot of people will hate on me. But I do what I do because I want you to get better and I wanted to show my process. So thank you for your time. I appreciate you. As always, if you want more live streams, join the Trading Wars Army right here. Join it right here, guys. All right? And I'll be here more often. Thanks for your time. Take care and have a great weekend.